I love bicycles because they are very simple. You are faster and you are cleaner, and it's good for your health. Schindelhauer Bikes is a bike brand based here in Berlin-Kreuzberg. We founded the company in 2008, directly after university. We're focusing on urban bikes. It's pretty obvious that a bicycle is the best transport you can have in the city for short distances.
Jörg and Stefan, they visited me in 2009, and we were discussing about their plans of their company and that they want to build a belt drive bike. So we really became friends, and this was the beginning of the success story.
Our slogan is belt driven since day one. When you see the bikes, they have a very iconic design, and the belt drive is an integrated part of it.
Gates Carbon Drive, especially in combination with such a beautiful bike like the Schindelhauer, makes a simple, clean product where the consumer has a lot of joy in using it.
I think most of the people don't like working on a chain or don't like maintaining that chain. It's always messy, you always get dirty because you have all this grease, and all this grease collects the dirt from the streets. And the belt drive is a very, very good solution for that. It's completely maintenance-free, it lasts longer than a chain, and plus it's super silent.
The bicycle technology provides a clean, sustainable and healthy solution for people who want to move from A to B.
Working with Gates is a very constructive relationship. We can always come to them with our technical problems, and they're always very open to help us and to help finding solutions.
All the different brands have different demands, different products, different bicycles out there. So what we do is we listen to their requirements, and then we marry their requirements to the Gates Carbon Drive technology.
We use high tensile strength carbon fiber to transmit the power and the torque. This carbon fiber is embedded in a very robust and hard polyurethane matrix.
We do a lot of field testing. A lot of testing is done by ourselves and also by the team Schindelhauer Gates, which is a fixed gear race team. We think the team is a great proving ground for the strength and reliability of the Gates Carbon Drive system.
It does have a very instant engagement, and it also gives you the feeling that the power you're generating is being translated into the drivetrain straight away. The fixed gear crits are the ideal testing ground. The belt lasts about 4 times as long as a chain. And we have made this experience with our racing equipment because a lot of us are still riding the same belt we got 4 years ago.
Yeah, the next bigger step for us is stepping into the e-bike market.
With the Gates Carbon Drive, you have a much longer lifetime, even when you have these high power, high torque electric mid-drives. And due to that, the Gates Carbon Drive fits very well to all the modern e-bikes coming out these days.
We are very proud of the work we have done up to now, but we are not done yet. We keep innovating, and we will develop more solutions together with Gates Carbon Drive to bring people from A to B.